Publishing low-content books on Amazon can seem like a good idea. And it is a great idea if you know what you are doing. Because of oversaturation, publishing low-content books on Amazon is getting harder. Is Kindle publishing still profitable? This is a question many people are asking when they want to start a new Amazon KDP business. In my opinion, Kindle publishing is still a very profitable business, and it will continue to be a successful business model for years to come. However, if you want to start with KDP and low content books, you have to change the approach. Gone are the days when it was enough to publish a simple line notebook. Today, you need to do some research and try to create a book that gives value. It is generally accepted that the number of people who are entering self-publishing on Amazon is increasing every single day. Nowadays, there is no space for low quality, simple, or even blank notebooks. You have to focus on quality. If you can do it, then the answer to this question, is Kindle publishing still profitable in 2022, is yes, you can make money with Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is a self-service platform that enables authors to publish their books and make them available to readers. It also allows authors to set their own prices they want to sell them. There are many reasons why Amazon KDP can be profitable for an author. If you want to start with Kindle Direct Publishing, you can start for free. However, you have to manage all the things around the book publishing business: writing, editing, proofreading, cover design, and marketing. Or you can outsource all these aspects through services like Upwork or Fiverr. However, this can be expensive. You should calculate around $200 per book. On the other hand, you can use KDP for selling low-content books. Under this category are hiding blank notebooks, line notebooks, journals, coloring books, and more. Here, the cost is low, really low. With the right tools like BookBolt, Canva, or Creative Fabrica, you can create low-content books for a few dollars. Using Amazon KDP to sell ebooks means you can sell your books in every country Amazon is delivering. This is huge. Amazon is the most visited online retailer on the planet, and you can put your book in the front of millions of people. Okay, to be honest, the royalties are not so high, but you have the option to control your profits. This simply means that when you are publishing your book, you can set the final price, where the difference between the cost of production and the selling price is your profit. If you are in the business of low-content books, you are usually making $1 to $3. While this sounds like a low profit margin, you are selling on Amazon, the most visited online marketplace in the world. This is one of the most important things with Amazon KDP. After you upload your book to the platform and you fill in important details such as title, subtitle, description, categories, and keywords, the book will get under review. It usually takes a few days for your book to be ready. Kindle publishing is using the same model as print-on-demand business. It simply means the book is printed after it is purchased. There is no need for storage. There is no need to have a physical inventory. When we talk about Kindle publishing, we are talking about two kinds of books. Ebooks, this is a downloadable file in a format for e-readers. And paper books, notebooks, journals, coloring books. Amazon only prints these books when someone orders them. Publishing low-content books on Amazon is still profitable in 2022. As there will be still a number of people who will purchase low-content books, it is a good idea to publish them on Amazon. Low-content books are cheaper and easier for the author to produce than classic ebooks and can make you tons of money, but you need to understand what to do. When it comes to publishing books, it is important to be informed and do your research. Amazon's KDP is one of the easiest ways to publish your book, but before you can publish, you need to create an attractive cover and interior, as well as a good SEO. I really appreciate your watching this video and I hope it was helpful. You can get in touch with me via comments if you have any more questions.